Greetings, I am Ashik SShaikh. Today I am presenting my work for the branding and communication course DietGuide. I created this to help with the struggle many face in silence. Usually, health means fitness, but for millions, it's about managing a long term illness. This isn't just a quick cold, it's a journey that changes your life each and every day. For someone with diabetes, every meal is a hard math. With kidney disease, a simple ingredients can be very risky for your health. And for those with dementia, even remember to drink glass of water is a struggle. So I built Diet Guide because when your life depends on what you eat, you don't need a basic app information, you need a companion. Our rule is if it's not source, it would support your condition. So let's get started with this presentation and also talk about my brand, Diet Guide. Let's start with the problem. The hardest part of a diagnosis is the wait time. People often wait to see a specialist. This might have happened to you as well when you're looking for a diet chart or guidance on the internet. So when you search the internet, every time there is a new varied information. Sometimes it may be from the blog, sometimes from our friends or families, or sometimes from forums, or from your personal trainer as well. If you're new to the UK, looking at local food labels make it even more confusing. We want to stop that fear by giving clear answers when you need them. Most nutrition apps only track numbers, not what food is right for specific health conditions. At the same time, dietitian consultations give expert advice, but there is no support between sessions. So users are left without daily guidance. For people with chronic condition, they cannot eat the same food every day. They need different options and alternatives regularly. This gap is even bigger for people managing chronic conditions or adjusting to new food environments like in the UK. In simple terms, there is no solution that provides continuous practical support in everyday life. But now there is. The main concept of Diet Guide is designed to fill this gap. It provides a condition based, dietitian verified guidance in a simple, practical format. Our goal is to give you your power back. The app is built on three words: your condition, your diet, your control. We want you to feel like a person again and not just a patient. It's about making your daily routine feel safe and normal. And yes, our app is a condition awareness and checking app and not a replacement for any of the medical or emergency care. It is a daily guide to help you stay on a track, but it is not for any urgent medical crisis. Now let's talk about the core features of the app. Condition-based food guidance. The app will let you know what you have to eat and avoid, and also how much quantity to consume as per dietitian instructed. Reminders. You will also get reminders if you skipped a meal, and also there is an inbuilt message platform where your family will also get notified about your meal skip. Third one, the health tracking and reports. You can track your health daily, weekly, monthly, and send it to your dietitian as well. Also, there is a live sharing feature, so your dietitian also can check how well you are following your diet. Fourth one, live location sharing. You can share your last and current location in the app with your friends or family if you are a dementia person. Also, fifth one, chat with a diet. This is a main feature as you will get to chat with a professional certified dietitian and not some local nutrition. Smartwatch. You can connect your app with your smartwatch. 7. Care safety sharing. It will let your family know how you are doing with some basic integration. So these are the features that the diet guide is providing you. Our target audience is everyone. We help seniors who want to stay independent and new residents trying to find healthy food in a new country like in the UK. We also help the tired carers who are doing their best to look after a family members. Like if you are a student who is in the UK but you want to look after your parents who are basically in another location. So the app will help you because of its feature like the live sharing. You will get to know like is your father or is your mother or is your partner is following their diet as strictly as it should be. Points of parity and points of differences. What makes us unique? Is it really different? What are the core features that we are providing as you have learned in the past slides? So I have recorded a video of mine where I am explaining how my app is different from that of the competitor. So yeah, let's look into it and you will understand it. For this research, I have downloaded few apps which is NutraCheck, Foodvisor, Chronometer and MyFitnessPal. Let's go to it. In the NutriCheck, you can track your calories, protein intake, you can select your meal plan, and you can track your progress. You can just go to the forums and the communities. In the Foodvisor is basically the same. You will track your calories and protein and water intake. Chronometer, you can have the report snapshot and charts. Same the tracking features and also the food course meal. And for the MyFitness, you can track your entire day plan. You can have the plan also and track your progress as well. But yeah, these are really different from what we are offering because we are offering a diet chart with a specific condition. Brand identity and personality. We want the app to feel like a calm friend. Managing a condition is kind of tiring, and so you do know it. So our design uses low cognitive load screens to keep things very simple. We don't use difficult medical words, we use plain languages. Our personality is calm, practical, and friendly. And also, any age person can use it and can access it. Brand symbolism. So, as we know, every color has a meaning. Blue is for trust and credibility, green is for health and safe daily actions. Our shield icon is a promise that every piece of advice in the app has been checked by a real professional. When you see it, you know you are really safe. So, now we are here at the end of the PPT slide. Let's talk about how we will share Diet Guide with the world. Our marketing is about trust, relief, and control. We will share a 30-second video ad showing someone confused by mixed health advice online, then introduce Diet Guide as the safe solution with our verified badge. Then it ends with a promise. If it is not sourced, it won't support your conditions. Then for the marketing channels, we will use Instagram, Facebook, and also other social media handles like TikTok. We will promote it through social media, SEO, testimonial videos, and partnership with dietitians and student communities. Our goal here is to help people find safe and clear guidance when they need it the most. Diet Guide ensures no one has to face a chronic illness alone. It's about safety, trust, and a better life. Thank you for listening to my entire slide. I hope you like it.